Well, Dave from Grillin' and Chillin' with Dave, Dennis Outdoor Adventures. Big appetites require large quantities of onions and peppers. In a big pan, little oil, some good seasonings, stir fry it, and then we're going to see what we're going to cook with this, and I will tell you. Let me just give you the rundown on the ingredients to put in there with it. You want to coat the pan with some regular vegetable oil, and then afterwards, when you're stir frying, you will splash some olive oil on top. And what we got here, we got garlic, some spices, some seasonings, and if you want to, you can always put a little bit of paprika mixed in with it, just a little tiny bit, gives it the color. And that's all it does, is give it the color. All right, so let's get this thing going, and we're going to have Italian sausage, green peppers, and onions. Stay tuned. Please hit the like button and folks. This stuff will reduce, and it will shrink up considerably. But figured we're going to have enough this time. And just occasionally stir it. Splash a little olive oil on top. And get this stuff going first, and then we're going to put the sausages on the grill. All right, so we put the Italian sausages on there on the side. I was going to put a skewer on there, but I decided not to. We're going to get these cooking, almost done. Then we're going to throw these in here and keep on stirring, and it's going to be delicious. We got one side nice and charred. Now we're on the other side. After this, we're going to put them over the top of that, which is going to drip the juices into that. And once that's pretty much cooked, then I'm going to put it in here, turn the pan sideways, and mix it all together. That's right. So occasionally, you might want to splash a little bit of beer, or some beer and low sodium soy sauce, or both, according to your preference. Beer actually keeps it, when you're cooking these like this, you're going to make sure you don't want to over dry out these veggies. You want to have them nice, but you don't want to have them dry, and you don't want to have them too wet. So right now, it's looking pretty good. The pan is slightly on an angle, so the juices did run down that way, so I bring them back and forth. We're going to flip these over, and then we're going to put them in here, stir them together, and boom, boom, boom. And now that it's coming down towards the end, don't ever forget the most important part. Little virgin oil on the top of the veggies, a little bit, that's it. Stir it around, and that's what brings out the flavor. You never want to put this in the beginning, because olive oil does not hold heat as well as other oils, but this is the stuff that you want to use. Okay. Look at that, folks. Now I just took them off the grill, put them in with the onions and peppers. We got two different colored peppers, green and red. Oh man, I'm gonna stir it around a little bit, and it's done. We're gonna serve it with an Italian roll, and it's just gonna be delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. May God bless you. Delicious. Check it out. Nice sweet little spice. Italian sausage. The right way. Thanks for watching, folks. God bless you.